Here's how we start some of the staple crops that'll feed us over the next year. For gardeners, this time of year is so full of anticipation and hope. Because we grow our food in an urban environment, we start our corn and bean seedlings in trays because if we direct seed them, they tend to get dug up and eaten by critters. You'll sometimes hear folks caution against this, but as long as you transplant them before the roots get tangled up, this is a great way to give your corn a head start on the season. It always amazes us when we're seeding these little trays that in just a few months we'll be walking through them with the plants towering over our heads. For our chickpeas, we start them in slightly larger celled seedling trays and plant 2 seeds in each cell. They're hardy little plants, so they really don't mind growing close together. They can also handle very poor soil, so we usually plant them in the clay parts of our garden. We do the same thing with our dry beans, which will be planted on trellises around our yard, and then we'll eventually direct seed some at the base of our corn stalks once they're tall enough to hold up their little sister. This has been a rough spring, which I know a lot of people are feeling, and for us, sowing seeds is a much needed antidote to that.